Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious honey cookies using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of softened butter, and 1 large egg. For the dry components, have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt ready. Finally, grab 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect batch every time. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and 1/2 cup of honey until everything is well combined and smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. With your dough prepared, it's time to form and bake these delightful cookies. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie to allow for proper spreading during baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until their edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overbaking and ensure a soft, chewy texture. Once your honey cookies are out of the oven, the aroma will be incredible. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. These delicious honey cookies are truly best enjoyed fresh and slightly warm. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their wonderful flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.